Today I'm testing Golpo AI, which is the sponsor of this video. I will create long-form explainer videos from different source materials, including a prompt and a document. After that, I will use Claude Code inside Visual Studio Code to build and run a real Python integration with the Golpo API. Let's go in. So first you go on golpoai.com. Here we have an overview about the tool. As you can read, create whiteboard explainer videos with prompts or documents. Let's hit Golpo video. Here we are in the interface of the generation. You can enter your desired prompt here, attach documents or files. You can choose between Golpo canvas. Let's preview it. As you can see, you have astonishing explainer videos here, different canvas styles. On the Golpo sketch, you have a specific style here, which is very nice. You can upload videos or images which will be inserted in the video, or you can record your screen for walkthroughs. You can create audio only. You can add voice instructions. You can also create your desired characters which will be embedded in the video, and ton of options here, like if you want music, you have durations up to 15 minutes, which is amazing, different voices, languages, styles. First we want to create a beginner-friendly explainer about Angular signals, which is a framework for web applications. We go with Golpo canvas first. We let all settings on default. We just hit generate video. While it's generating, we generate our second video. Now we have the prompt. We want an educational explainer video based on the provided PDF about the key features of Angular 22. We want Golpo sketch. We attach the document. As you can see, it's just an overview about some key features of Angular. Now we scroll down to the character. We can now add a character by describing a character name, appearance description, and upload optional reference images. We already did that with our red hair woman with this reference image. We now just hit add, done. We want 15 minutes and we hit generate video, and here are our results. Our first and second one, as we already can see, he embedded our character just perfectly. But first let's watch the first video with the Golpo canvas. Let's skip a bit to interesting parts here.
Storage updates. Computed equals calculate values. Things like toggles, selected tabs, filters, loading indicators, modal visibility. Signals are perfect for these cases because the code stays extremely small and readable. A filter example is especially common. You might have an items signal and a query signal. Then a computed signal returns filtered items based on the query text.
As you can see, he gathered all information about Angular signals which are existing and put all together in one seamless explainer video. The drawings fitting to the voiceovers just perfectly. You can further edit it, download it, share it. Amazing. Now let's look at the Golpo sketch with our character.
When you're tasked with building a large-scale, complex web application, something that needs to last for years and be maintained by a team of developers, you need more than just a library. You need a framework, a system with opinions, structure, and a clear set of tools to handle the complexities of enterprise software. This is the world of Angular. Angular is a TypeScript-based framework specifically designed for these kinds of demanding applications. We're talking about the dashboards that run global logistics, the internal tools for banking and finance, the complex systems in healthcare. These aren't simple websites. They are robust platforms. Angular provides the architecture for this out of the box, favoring clear conventions over endless configuration. This means when a new developer joins a project, the structure is familiar, the patterns are consistent, and the code base remains manageable even as
It's just astonishing how good Golpo AI does this here. A full explainer video with our character perfectly embedded in each scene here. Character consistency is on point. Also nice design of Golpo sketch here. He took our initial information of the PDF and provided much more accurate information. This is just working great and it's amazing. Another amazing thing about Golpo is the Golpo Python SDK. You can create explainer videos locally just through the Golpo Python SDK. You can use Claude Code to generate such a script. Like this one, we have a prompt of create a Python application using the official Golpo Python SDK. You should read the API key through the Golpo API key environment variable. The script should generate a 15-minute landscape explainer about Angular signals, and he should print a completed video URL, video ID, and generate the script once he is done. Now we just hit enter. Claude Code takes all for us. We just have to sit back and relax till he's finished. And now he's done. Let's look at the generated Python script. As you can see, you have a full script here with nice documentation. We have some variables like the topic, our desired prompt. You can also change this to a dynamic input for your application. We have video instructions, we have the voice, we have the duration. Let's change it to 1 minute now. If we scroll down further, we see now the Golpo SDK here, our desired API key, the function create video where we input our desired variables for the prompt, voice instructions and more. All other code is just error handling. As you can see, there are different results like a translate error or generation errors if something fishy happens. You can now start the Python script. As you can see, he loaded our API key. He's now submitting the generation request to Golpo. What happens now, he is authenticating the request, sending the prompt and settings, uploading source files if we have some, starting the generation job, checking the generation status, and once he's done, he will return the completed result, and the response includes the video URL, the video ID, and the generated script. Let's wait till he's finished. And boom, here is the result. We have the video URL, the video ID, the settings we used, and the generated script. Let's look at the video.
For years, Angular's performance was tied to Zone.js, which often meant checking the entire application for changes. It was powerful, but inefficient at scale. Angular signals change everything. Think of a signal as a smart wrapper for a value. It doesn't just hold data, it knows exactly who's listening. When you update its value, it precisely notifies only the components and calculations that depend on it.
As you can see, accurate explainer video about Angular signals again. Nice design, nice sketches here, nice drawings. VoiceOver is on point. Everything you need. Golpo just nailed it here. If you like Golpo, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.